Hi, my name is Yuri and welcome to BLAU Parts. This is a product overview on our Volkswagen and Audi 2-liter turbo FSI oil change kit. This oil change kit includes 5 liters of the Revenant VMO 5W40, a Mala original oil filter, and the drain plug. Revenant VMO carries formal approvals from Volkswagen for both the 50200 and 50501 oil quality standards. These are the only 2 oil specifications that should be used in the 2-liter FSI engines. If you don't specifically see Volkswagen's oil specifications on the bottle, you should not use the oil. It is an inferior quality oil. Also, this oil is the recommended viscosity of 5W40 for the 2-liter FSI engines. What really sets this oil apart is Revenant's Clean Cinto technology. Clean Cinto consists of a higher quality synthetic oil base than what's typically used in the oil industry, and it features a highly advanced additive package engineered in Germany. When compared to other synthetic oils on the market, you'll notice a much quieter running valve train, reduced deposit and sludge buildup, and an improvement in fuel economy. That's just a few of the many features of the Revenant VMO. To learn more about this awesome oil and Revenant's Clean Cinto technology, you can check out our website. Our kit also includes a Mala original oil filter. Mala is an official OE manufacturer of filters and has been supplying many of the German automakers for decades. These filters use OE quality flow rates, materials, capacity, construction, and as well comes with the necessary O-ring as a kit. We also include the drain plug in our oil change kit, which is the identical design to the original with a built-in sealing washer. So that's an overview on our oil change kit for the Audi Volkswagen 2-liter turbocharged FSI engine. If you have any questions on our oil change kits, feel free to give us a call or check out our website at blauparts.com. Thank you for watching.